Hi friends, welcome to pragna Maths. In this session, we are going to see question number 9 from exercise number 6.3, progressions. So question number 9 is, find the sum of first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. So we have to find the sum of first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. So that is S40 we have to calculate. So let the first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6 be P 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. So this will form a AB. So this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term, this is the fifth term, this will be the sixth term and so on. So let the first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6 must be 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. These are all nothing but the multiples of 6. Multiples of 6. So if you multiply 6 with 1, we will get 6. 6 with 2, we will get 12. 6 with 3, 18. 6 with 4, 24. 6 with 6, we are going to get 36. Now what is the question? Find the sum of first 40 positive integers. So these are all the positive integers which are divisible by 6. So now we have to calculate Sn. So here the first term is equal to, that is A is equal to 6. Difference is nothing but A2 minus A1. That is nothing but 12 minus 6. That is again 6 only. So now we have to calculate Sn, sum of first 40 positive integers. That is n value become 40, a value becomes 6, difference is also 6 only. So it is 2 1 time 2 20 times, 6 into 2 12, it is 40 minus 1 is nothing but 39 into 6, that is nothing but simply, so 240 minus 6, 240 minus 6 is nothing but 234. Now do this addition. 2 plus 4 becomes 6, 1 plus 3 becomes 4, 2 here 246. Now multiply with 2. 2 6 are 12, 1 here, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 2s are 4, keep on 0, 4920. 4920 is the sum of first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. That is therefore S40 is equal to 4920. So this is the way we have to calculate. Just see once again. In the question is asking, find the sum of first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. That is nothing but we have to do the sum of first 40 multiples of 6. First 40 multiples of 6. So what are the multiples of 6 means? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. So these multiples will form a AP series. What is the first term? 6. What is the difference? Again 6. What we have to do? We have to calculate the sum of first 40 multiples of 6. So that is n value become 40. Substitute all the values, a value, d value, n value, so that you will get the final answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.